Pig ears. Here's Jilly eating her pig ear. Her first pig ear. How is it, Jilly? Is that good? Huh? It's a raw pig ear. She's been chewing on it probably for 10 minutes and hasn't hardly gotten anything off of it. Jack is unsure whether he wants his or not. Jack? Look what Mommy's got. Look here. Ducky. I cut you a little part to get you started. That's a big old pig ear, isn't it? Huh? You want your pig ear? Look at Jilly's chewing on hers. There goes Jilly. Chomp, chomp, chomp. That's good.